Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I got a very cool truck for you this morning. It is like Tuesday, February the 4th. We have a 2-day install here for you. This is a 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate. It has a 6.2 engine in it, and the truck has like 300 miles on it. My customer just drove from, I really don't even know actually. He drove from far away. They definitely have an out-of-state area code. I'll have to get that information and put it in the later part of the video, but check out this truck. We're gonna do a 6-inch lift kit, some 35s and 22s. Stay tuned. All right, here she is. I think we've definitely seen these trucks come through here before. I don't remember in recent past us doing a Denali Ultimate 1500, like a lift kit, tires and wheels kind of thing. So very excited about this one. The couple of special notes that we're gonna do here, the Rough Country 6-inch lift that they make for the Denali is a special lift kit that supports the ARC adapter, or the ARC ride control that this truck has. It's a magnetic ride control, basically. It's electric shocks. The lift kit accommodates that, no problem. One thing that I will note, stay and pay attention, this is a 6.2 gas engine, which is my favorite one. But if you buy the lift kit from Rough Country for the 6.2, it has that big skid plate in the front, and it's not my favorite piece on these trucks. I really like the way the diesel kit looks better. The diesel kit has a Rough Country badge on the front of the cross member. The reason being is this truck doesn't have like an intercooler in it or anything up in the front right there, but the diesel trucks and the 2.7 4-cylinder truck have that intercooler there. I think the turbo lines are in the way or something. They have a cross member or not a cross member, a skid plate that does not fit the truck when it has that piece in the front. So I ordered a diesel kit for this truck so that it would have the badge on the front that would sort of match up to the accents on the truck better. So stay tuned. Hopefully that works out good. We're gonna be doing some, I think 35-inch Toyo Open Country MT tires, and maybe some, it's 22 by 10 Fuel Rebels, I believe. Quick, I wanted to show you the interior. You guys are probably used to the interior from the 2500s because it looks very similar. You have your two big screens in the center right there, like you do on the 2500, and then you actually have the same seats in the Denali Ultimate that the 2500 has. Very nice. Brown leather with the white stitching. You have the Ultimate badges right here with the Denali coordinates. One thing that I will note that's different is you don't have the badge on the center console that you have on the 2500s. That is a little strange, but the rest of the truck looks about the same. So this is more my speed. Even though you guys know I like the black interior better, I'm more of a 1500 kind of guy anyways. So if you're going to go buy a 1500, this is probably the nicest one that you could buy right here. Absolutely amazing truck. Get it pulled around the back of the shop right here. I know the guys are excited to get it started. The truck is here for 2 days, but we're gonna do everything in our power to get it done first day. That way they don't have to stay in a hotel room, you know, because it is what it is. But if we can keep it from happening, it's definitely going to be good for the customer. They get to go on home if that's the case. we got our GMC, our 2025 GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate ready to go. Couldn't be more excited to give it back to the customer. I really love this truck a lot. I love the all black paint. Lift kit, tires, and wheels to me are it's like this is like a medium style setup, if you know what I'm saying there. I mean, it's not a leveling kit with some 33s, and it's not a 9-inch lift with some 26s. This is a, like I said, good everyday driver. Something you could drive to work and back every day. You can make it in and out of the drive-throughs at your favorite restaurant every day. Take a look, let me know what you think. I'm going to show you the truck right now. All right, so here's our truck. 2025 GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate 1500. We went with a 6-inch rough country lift up here. Of course, the Denali trucks have magnetic ride control, or arc ride is what they call it. There's your sensor right there. There's your mechanism. This basically tells the truck where you're sitting ride height wise. So with that being said, we had to utilize the factory electronic struts you see right here. So what Rough Country does is they add a 6-inch spacer on top right here. That gives you your lift height in the front. Going over the front cross member here, I said something earlier in the video about it, but here's the reason, right? So you see that little RC badge in the front. If you order a diesel kit, no matter if you have a diesel or gas, the kit works the same on each truck, no problem. This badge right here is only available on the diesel trucks because there's usually a skid plate that goes right there, and it hits on those intercooler lines that you have on the diesel and the turbo motor trucks. So I just think it looks better, especially with a truck that has chrome all over it like that. You know, this little badge in the front gives it its own identity, so I really like it. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. New body style truck's amazing. I love this front end with this LED strip right here. It's probably one of my favorite parts about new trucks. All of them are doing it, so can't just single out GMC on there, but I love it. If you have any more questions about the truck, if you want to price something like this, actually, I'm going to put the price to this job in the video, hopefully, so you won't have to call me about prices on this one. But if you have any other questions, my name's Jake. I'm at Southern Tire, McDonough, Georgia. The number here is 678-994-9180. And thanks for watching.